Welcome, dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a feather flower. Okay, so it's easy peasy. Just watch, practicalize. You can use your feather flower to embellish your work. You can also use it to form a feather stem. Okay, so I have a feather stem here, and then I'm going to cut out some pieces of my feathers. I'll be using 6 pieces to form this. I won't be using any glue. Just keep watching and learning. Please remember to like this video, share, comment as you like it. YouTube's algorithm will push it to more people. So I'm sure you would want others to learn what you're learning. Thank you. Also, kindly remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly videos. So, what I'm going to do now, as you can see, I have cut out some thread, and then I'm going to use it to more like attach or tie my pieces of feathers together. But just watch how I'm going to arrange them and then tie. Okay.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse.
So what I'm going to do next now is to arrange my feather to get the exact shape that I want, for it to come out like a rose or like a flower exactly. Just watch how I'm going to do that. Okay, so remember to practicalize. You watch, you learn, and you practicalize. I would love to see your work.